Hi, welcome to TLV Motorsport. Today we're going to fix the handle of the door in the Touareg. I bought it from AliExpress for just $25. Now let's see how we do it. First, we have two torque screws in the lower part of the door. This is one. Now let's do the other. Now we'll open this clip. Great. Underneath we have another two torque screws. Here I did it with an Allen wrench, but if you have a deep enough torque wrench, so it's even better. Great, it's out. Now we have to pull the lower section of the door card and raise it up in order to move it. Be careful, you have the airbag cable and the another cable over there. Put it on something that it will be easy and just pull this white thing and move it off. The airbag, just pull this orange thing and the door will be free. The door card will be free. Great. Let's put it aside and work on it. Again, another torque screw, very small one. This one is actually holding the broken original part. You will see it in a second. Since it's the original part, it was pretty hard to take it off. One torque screw is holding this air vent. Pull it out that it won't be on the way. Now we have to move the clips of the electrical windows. And we have another torque screw that holds all the buttons of the electric windows. Now put it off. And finally, this is the other side of the handle with the original broken part. Good. This is the part that I bought, exactly the same color of the door card. You have the stitches. The stitches needs to face upwards. in the left side is first, and the right side you just slide it and put it in place. Not like I did it here. I fixed it off camera. You will see it in the end. The stitches needs to face up. Left screw and the right screw. Now let's put some torque on it, that it won't move and it will last for many years to come. Good. Put back the buttons of the windows. Fix it with the torque screw and connect back the electrical wires. Good. Now put back the door, again reconnect the airbag and the open lever. Torque screws in the bottom, and basically you're done. Hope it was helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.